Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Just want to give a quick channel update. Haven't been around much of late, and I'm getting back on the wagon, as they say. Things have changed a bit at the house. My wife and I married off both of our boys, and so we're empty nesters now, and they're off being successful elsewhere. Things have changed a lot in terms of work scenarios and whatnot from the way it was, and so I just hadn't been on the wagon, as it were. This led to some weight gain, as anyone that has ever been on a diet understands how that goes. If you don't stick with it, if you don't live it, it can cause negative ramifications. I made a lot of changes dietary wise recently. Bless my wife for being willing to help me out with a lot of this, and so I'm gonna get back on the channel. I'm gonna try to start releasing more videos because it does help me be, I think the guy from Highfalutin Low Carb talks about, like, it keeps me honest, and it does. I had gained a bunch of weight recently. I'm down another 20 pounds from my high. Not where I want to be, but certainly I'm gonna be making an effort to be consistent. So I am going to be posting more things. Some of the things that I'm using to kind of change to make things a little bit easier for me, but also looking at it more holistically, less of just the how do I do it the old way? Because the old way was very much like find something labeled keto, use it, and I win. But I really like where this space has gone. Some of the folks like Steve from Serious Keto, he's fantastic. If you don't follow him, you need to follow him because he does an incredible job actually recording scientifically what's happening to his body when he eats certain things, and that's been very eye-opening. Just all the stuff that's gone on in the scene. So very glad where that has been. I know that this channel is not going to get big because I'm not going to make it fancy. I'm not monetizing it. I just do this more for food diary or documenting things so that I can go back and look and see what I liked previously on recipes I've tried or whatever. So it probably won't be quite as fancy in terms of the complicated recipes and whatnot, just because my wife doesn't like keeping all of the things around, like all the different kinds of flour and whatever that I was messing with back in the day. But we are going to be trying to make things kind of a nice balance, shall we say. So, and oh, by the way, if you're one of my wife's students, hello. I really wish you guys wouldn't stalk me. Anyway, have a great day. We'll see you again next time. Later.